See, heaven is not a static place where people sit on with harps on wings. I mean, this is just such a stupid pie. Just like angels themselves aren't little girls dressed up in a white thing. They're Rambo guys, right? Gever is a mighty man from God. This is heavenly warfare, right? That Yahweh of hosts, remember, is a military metaphor. It's not a metaphor; it's a reality. So there's some power going on here in heaven. And so now we try to replicate with our antiphonal work, and that's a good thing. I don't wonder how many people actually get it, that this is what we're doing, is we're replicating what the angels and archangels are doing, surrounding God. And remember, they're not just flitting and flying, they're flying around like this. There's stuff going on in heaven. There's power there. Now, what does this mean? That's a good Lutheran question. God comes down to fill the temple. We've been there. This is where heaven and earth intersect, and here's where holiness and glory come together. Easily glossed. I probably have skipped 5,000. So there we go. Here we go. This I learned this from Horace Hummel, but I found out he got it from somebody else. That God's holiness is His glory concealed. His glory is His holiness revealed. Go home and chew on that for a while. I'm not even going to try to unpack that fully and completely now, but this is powerful stuff. God's glory is, in a sense, His presence with us, where we sort of can touch Him, but be careful. Remember Uzzah. God's holiness is really His distance from us, which is why we can't see the face of God until we see Him face to face. But here in this passage, in this powerful passage, you have them combined. It's not just holy, this is the third degree. This is Hebrew superlative. Sanctum sanctorum, mysterium tremendum. Isaiah is in the presence of God.